I realized the microphone was actually, excuse me, all screwed up here. Alright, just gotta tweet that I went live and all that stuff. But today is Thursday, and that means it is the last stream of the week for me, which is very, very nice. I want to edit the title and the description, and then also get a link. Slow news day, but no, I don't want to say that. Cryptocurrency. What's going on with the? I'll read chat and just say what's the markets doing? Okay, so they're down a little bit. Cryptocurrencies doing great as stock market takes breather. All right, so we'll do that. Get a shareable link. Now I'm gonna go live. Live now, early. Well, I guess I'm just going to just copy and paste this title then, I guess. But I lifted my weights. I went to Target because I ran out of mayonnaise. So then they sold light mayonnaise, so that's good. Low calorie, low everything, but still tastes good. Hey, turtle nugget. Lift my weights. I'm gonna be hungry probably an hour and a half because I actually just did a lot of heavy lifting today. I ate very little food because obviously I'm trying to lose weight. So, and I'm feeling much better right now, unlike yesterday where the pneumonia seems to be flaring out of control for whatever reason. And, you know, again, I'm just going to have to just drop all the Burger King. Actually, I have to just basically drop all fast food unless, you know, the food is actually real. Like there's no like crazy chemicals and stuff. It's because it's probably the chemicals that are screwing up my body. It's not so much the rest of the food. And of course it doesn't help that I'm still like overweight. So I thought I was gonna lose 200 followers today on Twitter because they were actually starting to remove a bunch of followers from my account, like Seraching, Election Wizard, etc. But you know, it looks like Twitter decided to pull back on that for now. So I'm still like at 30.9k plus. But yeah, yesterday was pretty nice. I gained like another 100 followers, so I'm really beating the algorithm. So I just have to just keep. I mean, as long as there's news that I can retweet, you know, I just gotta keep, you know, doing this thing. And Josh Mandel actually unfollowed me, but what's weird is I also unfollowed him for some reason, which I didn't do. So I don't know, but he's doing mass unfollows, so he's. But I always had a bad feeling about him. Plus, Josh Mandel his name did sound familiar on Twitter, so you know. No seed oils for me either. Well, I still have food that have seed oils in it. I just simply need to like just reduce just the overall amount of food that I eat. But yeah, if you can avoid seed oils, you know, just stick with extra virgin olive oil. You know, you'll do very, very well. All right, so. So it's actually pretty warm. It's actually 61, 62 degrees, you know, here in New York City. So it's somewhat cloudy. So that's actually kind of surprising. So I kind of want to just do a nice casual stream today, you know, just relax because it just looks like everyone wants to relax today. And I'm actually in the middle of listening to this Plan B interview. Probably nothing new, but still pretty interesting stuff. They actually said that maybe like the SHA-256 algorithm that Bitcoin uses was invented by the NSA. So there's some speculation that, you know, the CIA or the NSA or, you know, the alphabet agencies are behind Bitcoin and stuff. And then it talked about something called exit nodes. But from what I've heard so far, Plan B is not worried about that. Yeah, which I think is fair because trust me, if the CIA could pull the plug now, they would pull the plug. All right, because the longer this cryptocurrency thing, you know, keeps developing and gets more mainstream adoption, the more of a direct threat to the system it is. You know, I mean, Russia. I think Rushvi was right. Russia was like controlled opposition. Now they're just going, you know, full globalists along with everyone else. I mean, it's so sad. You know, and Rushvi also said the same thing about Hungary. Though I think Hungary would be better. Well, Hungary is better than Russia because I don't even think they're imposing any mandates whatsoever. And there's still some hope for Germany too because I just tweeted out the German court. Oh no, yeah, that's the French. A German court actually struck down the vaccine only and recovered people from entering retail stores. So I don't know. I mean, maybe their court system's a little better than what we have here. So we'll see. But yeah, we'll just keep pushing the envelope. All right. So again, I'm gonna try to keep this a little shorter because all of my streams have been like a million years long each. So. And I'm also gonna skip the index. I'll still keep this tab open, but I mean now that I'm not putting, I mean all of my daily income is now coming from Metaverse Pro. I mean at this point, this thing really is just kicking everyone's ass by not even a close margin. And then also this daily ROI does actually report now the correct numbers. So as the APY goes down, this daily ROI is gonna come down because obviously everyone is jumping into Metaverse Pro. So. Hopefully they don't do a rug pull, because right now it's just red piping hot. This is just great. Even though I bought Metaverse Pro at $5.50 a piece, because I was compounding so much so well, I've actually recovered my original principal in value, right? It's unrealized. So, but I've already pulled out like $3,000-$4,000 worth of money. And then on this coming Saturday, I'm gonna pull out about 24 hours worth of, Metaverse Pro. So basically, I'll compound constantly 6 days a week, and on Saturdays is when I take my profit. So it's just like good old 808 coin. Yeah, the money is just ridiculous. If I told you how much I was actually making per day, gross, right? This is, because obviously I'm compounding most of my stuff. Yeah, you guys would all have a heart attack. You guys would all have a heart attack. So yeah, so when I put in like a dummy account for this, yeah, I'm gonna put like $2,000 in here. I'm not even gonna give a shit. How much in percent profit? I've already. It's hard to say because I bought at $5.50 and then it crashed all the way down, and now Metaverse Pro is at 384, 383 or whatever, right? So I don't know. Like I don't even know how to calculate this, but basically I have all my money back. Like this is so. Like I never want. There's absolutely no reason to ever buy anything else ever again. Right? Not stocks, not bonds, not even real estate. Though I'm still going to buy real estate because I still want an alternative, stable source of income that'll also make me a shit ton of money. So, yeah, crypto plus real estate equals unstoppable. And then maybe I can use it to I don't know, maybe somehow counter George Soros because right now he's inputted all of these bad officials. I just don't get it. What's a good strategy for DCA this? I mean, DCA is only one thing. Just buy more at a fixed amount of dollars or whatever currency as it goes down more. That's what dollar cost averaging is, because it'll eventually go back up, unless of course it's a scam project, in which case it's going down to zero. We're close to that forever. But obviously we're hoping, and I don't think it's a scam project because there's just too many things going on, especially in the Discord. So I think they're legit. All right, so let's see. So Bitcoin searches for this week is still at 18. Wow, interesting. Oh, that means we'll find out what the fear and greed index is. Buy Bitcoin has dropped to 10. So normies are completely running away from crypto. That's hilarious. Funny enough, they're worried about inflation, right? 100 for inflation. Hyperinflation's at 20. See, this is probably the reason why the globalists don't respect us, because they constantly see shit like this and they go, the people are stupid. And believe it or not, that's actually true. And I'm actually very surprised. The fear and greed index is 29. It's barely up from yesterday, even though we had a nice we had a nice rally yesterday, a really good one after 2:30, right? Because Jerome Powell did his typical whatever. And then today, cryptos are doing fairly decent too, with low trade volume. So I don't know what's up with people. But all right, well, whatever. I mean, whatever. That's just how it goes. All right. So stock markets, as I said earlier, are pulling back a bit. Well, actually, it's the S&P that's down. Nasdaq is crashing. Interesting. Okay. Crude oil is up. That's good. Precious metals are way up. Surprising. And of course, well, Bitcoin's under pressure, but cryptos, as of 30 minutes ago, is doing pretty well. So maybe that's changing right now, because maybe something just happened. And oh my God, look at that. I hate to see this. Well, at least the dollar's down. Alright, right now, any war with China is likely to be around Taiwan. Yeah, we already know that. What Biden left undone in 2021? Fed faces a judgment call on maximum employment. Yeah, that's just not going to happen. Yeah, this is all just propaganda right now, so there's nothing on Yahoo News. Okay, so bonds are being bought up across the board, except the 30-year, which has barely gone up somewhat. My Pillow CEO is prepared to go broke spreading. Oh, okay, I don't want to read the rest of that. It'll trigger this shit. Alright, so, alright, I already know what's happening. Fear trade. I mean, the stock markets are pulling back for some stupid reason, and they're going into bonds. Okay, and then some of that money is going into altcoins. Not Bitcoin, but altcoins. Or it was. Oh, cryptocurrencies are now pulling back. Yeah, so what's actually going on? I don't see anything here. I mean, the only thing I could maybe think of is they're going to go ahead with the Omicron moronic bullshit and lock everything down. Maybe that might be it. Alright, so 24-hour volume in crypto is really bad at 99.4 billion. So no one's even really doing anything. Oh, that's funny. Anti-lockdown token, and it's got a symbol of free. You know, just out of supporting the cause, I would buy something like this. But yeah, you're on the Ethereum blockchain, so yeah, forget about it. So Bitcoin was trying to push 49K, and now it's under pressure and just hovering around 48K. Very annoying. Ethereum pulling back to 4K. Binance Coin 533. Oh, I don't even really care. I mean, Solana, Avalanche, Terra Luna, and a couple other coins were doing really well, and now this current pullback. So something's going on in the markets, and I don't know what. I mean, I know it's almost the end of the week in a December, well, months, unfortunately, but I don't know. I don't see any trigger events here. Dog's down a bit, Shiba's down a bit, Crypto.com coin's down a bit. Yeah, it was doing so well like 30 to 60 minutes ago, so something must have definitely have happened. Like some news must have broke, and now everyone's like freaking out. People are scared about China because China now says it backs Russia in its case with Ukraine. Is that really what this is? It's just saber rattling. And yeah, China should back Russia because, you know, the American regime is evil. So, you know, they're starting wars all over the place. They're killing millions of innocent people and then getting a lot of our people killed in the same said wars. Like the fucking American government's completely out of fucking control now. You know, like, I don't want to trigger any certain problems, but if Russia annexed Ukraine and China annexed Taiwan, that would technically be good for us American dissidents, and it would just be hilarious. So I can't say if I hope it happens or not, you know, because there's a new guy that Saint Nick followed on Gab, or I think he follows him. He's like running for Congress or whatever. And he actually said that some of his friends that were at January 6th, he's like, hey, the FBI is arresting all of you and watching your communications, so you better shut the hell up on Gab. You know? So, yeah. Gotta be careful of that stuff. But is that, I mean, I don't even see that shit here. I mean, maybe it could be that. Yeah. Alright, well... So I'm thinking the Mannarino index should be down. Yeah, 85.2. I don't really want to do too much technical analysis because obviously the one analysis I do want to do is Metaverse Pro. Yeah, we already know about this. I mean, I might just skip this. Yeah, Shiba's whatever. Let's see. I mean, we don't even need to look at Bitcoin. We already know it's way below. Yeah, it's like dog shit right now. But, I mean, it still continues to consolidate, so Ethereum's probably going to be the same way. Yeah, so it's still consolidating. Well, there's Crypto.com coin. And we'll probably check on stupid Cadena. Alright, so Crypto.com coin should be almost, I mean, the blue line's finally reached basically zero. It's a little below it. And the red line's not too far behind. So Crypto.com should be almost done consolidating, so that's good. Cadena, our MACD is way below 0, but oh, Cadena actually had a big buy spike today. Yeah, part of this was just way oversold. Yeah, let me look at that. Look at all those red candles in a row. I'll read chat in just a second. Yeah. Alright, so Cadena is just having some crazy volatility right now. I mean, I would like to see this thing right by the bottom Keltner channel line. But I mean, the MACD is looking pretty good. It's pretty much, you know, at the bottom, so. Alright. Dollar is stronger, at least to Swedish crown. I don't know. I go by the Dixie here in Yahoo Finance, and the dollar is down. Right? And the dollar is down by a lot. So that would mean that the Swedish crown is down by even more. So let's say minus 1% or minus 2%. That's how foreign currency works. Good time to buy Binance coin and a Meta then. Yeah, for sure. Right now, Meta is just right now the only good coin out there. Funny enough, is Meta. It's you know, and that's because people are still trying to get in on, you know, this multi-billion-dollar APY, which eventually will go down and this will stabilize. You know, but even at 1,000,000% APY, that's still pretty good. And hopefully this coin will stabilize and mature some more. So as I said, I'm just skipping MDEX because I'm not even bothering with any of this for now. But I'll keep the tab open in case we ever need to consult it. Alright, so the APY has finally dropped to 5 billion. 5 billion. But this thing is rapidly tanking because more and more people are compounding, especially me, and more people are just simply getting into this pool. So I don't know when this thing will, you know, kind of stabilize. The regular staking pool has just been killed to 268k APY. Yeah, because this thing is getting lowered by like 1% a day or something, and that's to help with the diamond hand pool over here. So, but what's interesting, but the most important, I don't know if it's the most important thing, but yeah, actually, I guess I could say this, the most important thing is this: the bond yields are like just going out of control on Metaverse Pro. So, you know, you were buying Meta US Tether liquidity pool, assuming this idiot comes up. Do I have to fucking change the... Now the website's lagging. This is just great. I love this. Yeah, the whole website's lagging now. This is so fucking frustrating. The Daily Wire is down. This website's going down now. It's just like, let me see. Is it lagging for me on Chrome? Yes, it is. Okay. I don't see anything in the Discord just yet. I mean, this thing literally just went down. Oh, okay. It just came back up. Okay. All right. Let me see. What? Okay, I'm not sure what's actually going on because on Chrome it did load and now it's still lagging when I hit reload on Chrome. Alright, so I think their website's just having congestion. This is so annoying. Better buying the bonds than Meta. I don't think so. I think you're going to make way more money doing diamond hand clubs, you know, because that's way higher APY. But it's technically good for the whole project if people do buy the bonds. But I just want the maximum amount of money, so I just do staking. All right, well, unfortunately, I can't do any more analysis because this fucking piece of shit site. Yeah, it loads on Chrome. I don't understand, even though it's really slow. Okay, I have to change the fucking RPC on this piece of shit. Crap, how do I find MetaMask here? Let me see. It should be under extensions. Alright, hold on. I'm going to blank this out because I got to change the RPC. So the website is lagging and the RPC is... This is so fucking annoying. Okay, I need to access... Oh, because I was clicking the wrong fucking icon. Alright. Expand view. Settings. Alright. Networks. BSC RPC. Alright. BSC RPC. God, I gotta find the right one. BSC RPC project. I think. What was the fucking thing called? Okay, RPC server. Yep, this is the site. All right, just give me. Yeah, one of their fucking things is down. All right, let me try using this for an RPC. It's so annoying because I have to constantly just keep changing this shit. All right. Oh my God, this is so fucking frustrating. Alright, so... Alright. Can I at least access this? This is so fucking annoying. Diamond Hands Club is just another staking pool. It's the 66 staking pool. So... just know that you're just going to make a lot more money. Let's just put it that way. However, any money that you put in, there's a 30% withdrawal penalty unless you wait 5 days and don't touch it at all. You know, that's to help deter, you know, whales, price manipulation. Alright, so the Treasury has been pretty much popping off. Now, this thing is from yesterday, but I'm pretty sure this thing will just keep going straight up. And even the total value locked is, deposited is also skyrocketing too. So this is pretty good. This is pretty good. So we'll just have to keep waiting. Yeah, well, keep farming and waiting, but so far it is looking quite nice. And regular staking is just getting killed. I might as well just open this in a new window. So, oh my God. All right. Well, let's just do a quick analysis because since there was so much. All right, I'm gonna type in the freaking. Is the website slow? It's constantly lagging, and it's not the RPC. Because this shit's fucking pissing me off. Alright, so we need MACD, and we need the Keltner channel. Because I deliberately did not actually do this on my own, because I know I was going to stream. Okay, so we're already hitting near the top of this Keltner channel, which is $420. Yeah, $420. The MACD is starting to stabilize around, I guess, 26, because this thing slightly went up before, so. I don't see anyone saying anything yet. Like this fucking website's pissing me off. Yeah, no one's responded to me yet. Like, what the hell? Okay. Yeah. So it's not looking too bad. 384, 382. So 385. I think it's a little hard to say because the MACD has to adjust, right? So maybe we could go back to 550. Like if we go back to 550, then the MACD will be, you know, up here. But hopefully it'll just, you know, relax around here. Yeah, it's weird. The site is lagging and the stream isn't. Yeah, I know my stream is fine, so I know it's not me and my internet. I thought maybe it could be my RPC, but I just changed it. And BSC project says that the RPC I selected is operational. So there's something wrong with the fucking Metaverse Pro website. The site itself is lagging low, and then maybe the RPC is also lagging here too. Maybe BSC again. No, I just said it's not the RPC. No, it's not the BSC RPC. It's the website itself. Let me check Chrome again. Yeah, it's still fucking lagging, man. What the fuck? Like, it always fucks up when I'm actually fucking doing something. When I'm not doing anything, it always works. It's so annoying. I heard that. Alright, well, whatever. Alright, so Metaverse Pro, I mean, it's kind of stalled out a little bit at 380 to 385. So I think that kind of makes sense because we're getting pretty close to that Keltner channel top. So also, this thing we had basically 3 days in a row of it going up. Hey, body bag. So MACD is, yeah, we'll see. But MACD is still pretty low. So let's see. Yeah, it's still fucking lagging. It's just taking forever. Hold on, let me. I just checked mine. It is working fine. Are you serious? I'm so fucking annoyed with this. So I don't actually know. The admin in Discord said the website's working fine. I don't know. Is there fucking something wrong with my internet then, actually? So, I mean, you're saying that it's lagging too, so. Alright, so nothing new with Plan B. I mean, but yeah, I mean, that's it for MDEX. So, I mean, Metaverse, so. Yeah, I mean, what the fuck? I don't know. It might actually be my internet now. Because this thing was faded out. Okay, that loaded. This loaded. I don't know. Do I have to fucking reset my fucking route? This is so fucking annoying. Let me see. Okay. Site's loading a little faster. This thing is lagging too. It's not the RPC because that's working. Yeah, there's just something wrong with the fucking website. Okay. Alright, well, it looks like it's getting a little better, so whatever. Let me check Discord real quick. No, nothing new. Alright, but anyway, I mean, this one's like an hour and a half, so you can watch that. I did retweet it, so you just go here or go on my Twitter to get it. Tether lauds Myanmar shot for making Tether an official currency. Oh, if they only knew. Processing request. Okay, there's definitely something wrong with the fucking internet then. Right, I really don't want to let me refresh this page. Waiting for Cointelegraph. Alright, yeah, it is, man. Yeah, everything is now fucking lagging. Great. I know, I'm uploading just fine on my green. User report, no problems at Verizon in New York City. Reports, 325, 125. Yeah, there are fucking problems. There's just not a lot. Great, so it's my fucking shit internet. I guess after I'm done... Great, I can't stop streaming because... You know what? I'm gonna do an IP flush. Fuck. I need to access my desktop. IP config. No. Fix me IP config.bat. I'm gonna actually be disconnected. Shit, am I uploading? Is the stream? Oh, okay. Yeah, it took a while for OBS to recover, so you know, but yeah. All right, so let's hope that worked. Because I don't even know why the fucking my internet's shitting out right now. All right, stop that. Thailand defined red lines for crypto in early 2022. So even Thailand's getting hostile towards crypto. Analysts list 21 factors calling for Bitcoin price upside, but 4 bearish signals. Yeah, well, I don't see anything happening. Beijing court rejects monetary compensation in Bitcoin mining contract. But yeah, I don't care about that. Voyager will be partnering with women's soccer. Great. I am a huge believer in crypto tech, says former US SEC chair. Yeah, I kind of want this Juan Carlo. It's probably Juan Carlo. I actually want Juan Carlo to come back because he was like way better than Gary Gensler. Jay Clayton said cryptos have numerous purposes and are connected to. How long is this thing? Oh man. Well, I mean, it looks like a slow news day, so I guess we'll read it. Russia to decide between blanket crypto ban and legalizing exchanges in 2022. Yeah, there's just all this like, you know, we'll threaten to ban it, but we need more time to think about it. So it's just people whatevering. So U.S. Senate confirms CFTC chair as Brandon announces commissioner picks. All right, this is actually important, so I'll read that. Consensus, Parliament Master supported by MasterCard, great. Yeah, see this, yeah, everything's lagging. I have to find out what's wrong with my fucking internet. If you acquire local sports club. Excel, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I don't know why websites are loading so poorly. God, even this site can't fucking load correctly. Yeah, you can see the stupid piece of shit thing spinning up there. Are they fucking sure that there's no problems with Verizon? Oh yeah. Are they actually sure about this? Because I did an IP config flush, so I know that's not the problem. Man, fuck you, man. There is a fucking problem. No internet connectivity in Brooklyn, New York. Oh, I thought it was just me. That was 2 hours ago. No internet. Yeah, there's something wrong with the fucking idiots. Yeah, there's something wrong with my internet right now. I'm getting so fucking annoyed with this shit. Fed Chair Jerome Powell dismisses crypto as financial stability concern, but warns they're risky. Global markets to Bitcoin after open. Wait, what? No, we already talked about that yesterday. Global markets to Bitcoin defy expectations after Fed. This was 1 hour ago. Oh, actually, I do want to know what's going on in India. They said they're going to change the crypto bill, so we'll read that. All right, I don't really feel like reading anything else because, you know, I actually want to make some food, even though it's only 3:30, but I really did not have much to eat. I'm not disconnected from anything, though. Okay, because our request did not get disconnected. It's still going. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, I don't know. What's going on? Huge believer in crypto, Jay Clayton. The former SEC guy, Jay Clayton, was appointed by Trump in 2017. Yeah, I want this guy back. He was so much better. Jay Clayton also defended Bitcoin. Okay, he was on CNBC. The former SEC chair said that he's a huge believer in crypto tech and that its efficiency advantages in the financial system token are enormous. Yeah. I'm actually going to tweet this out. Jay Clayton is so much better for Bitcoin than Gary Gensler. I want Jay and Trump back. Okay. Do that. Clayton's remarks come as the current SEC chair, Gary Gensler, confirmed that Watchdog has no plan to ban crypto, that Congress could. Gensler warned that crypto in its current form is comparable to Wild West without proper regulations. If the web is out in your area, just take the day off. Today, it's fine. Well, today's Thursday, so I'm already off anyway. If it's a scam with Meta, how long do scams usually last before a rug pull? Well, Merlin token went down after just 2 or 3 months, but they had like 3 hacks, with the third hack being the final nail in the coffin. As far as I know, Metaverse Pro hasn't had any hacks yet, so we'll have to see. And Olympus Pro has already been around since April 2021, so I know the code should be solid so far. But let's say there's a hack at Metaverse Pro. That's going to be a pretty big red flag, which sucks because I don't want to leave this project. So we'll have to just see. When asked whether the president chairperson is creating too many restrictions for crypto, Jay said that cryptos have numerous purposes and are connected to many industries, and the SEC should be in charge of regulating only one of those sectors linked to it. Crypto is why, yeah, you already read that. According to Clayton, crypto should be implemented, but with appropriate rigs. He said that government should be reactive to people who are violating our well-defined laws, but proactive in encouraging adoption of this tech and in the financial system. Clayton did not allow the approval of Bitcoin ETF during his term, which occurred now in 2020 under Gary Gensler. The agency has come under fire for rejecting spot. Yeah, we already know that. Blah, 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 blah. I still would prefer Jay Clayton because I do remember many videos. Aside from the Bitcoin spot ETF, which I guess didn't really care that much about, Jay was always like, yeah, you gotta buy Bitcoin. People should buy Bitcoin. People should get into crypto. Blockchain is awesome. Unlike Gary Gensler, who's obviously a tribal rat, he says the bare minimum nice things about crypto, and then he just shits on it the rest of the time. But, what can you do? U.S. Senate confirms the new CFTC chair as Biden, Brandon, okay. Rostin Benham said it was critically important to have a prime cop on the beat of an emerging that includes crypto and stablecoins. Oh, God, I fucking hate this shit so much. Lawmakers confirmed the nomination of Rostin to CFTC. Okay, and Wednesday, okay, he's got approved. That is currently for Benham requests a law to consider extending the authority of the CFTC given the emerging digital asset market. He said that CFTC had been aggressively pursuing enforcement cases in crypto. Given the size, scope, skills, how it's interfering. Yeah, I'm not liking this at all. So rapid potential for the kind came the day after Biden announced 2 picks for CFTC. Okay. Such a large change in CFTC leadership could easily have an impact on regulation and enforcement of crypto. Currently, the SEC, CFTC, and FinCEN handle digital asset regulation in the country, but with different jurisdictions. Oh, well, that's got to be annoying. Ben Henstein as chair. The commissions have slapped Tether and Bitfinex with a $42.5 million fine, which is nothing, and reached a crypto settlement with Bitfinex to pay $100 million in civil penalties. So we don't know anything about it, but because everyone approved this guy and Brandon nominated him, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna lean towards not a good guy. But we'll have to see. Okay, now this is the important one. Because right now, as it stands, the Indian crypto bill is very freaking restrictive. Okay, the Indian government is reportedly making new changes to the crypto bill. Okay, the government of India is reportedly making changes, right? Okay, well, what's the changes? It calls all that are not issued by private crypto, including Bitcoin Ether. In addition, okay, so the publication said the government of India wants crypto regulations to be the same or in sync with the global framework, but does not want to rush cryptocurrency law itself. Okay, this thing literally is not. Yeah, we don't get anything useful out of this. I'm not even going to include this in the auto chapters because this is just a waste of our time. The current bill seeks to prohibit all private crypto in India. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying tech in crypto and its uses. Okay. While the government has not provided specific details of the bill, there are reports that India is planning to regulate crypto with their version of the SEC. In addition, the government is planning to ban crypto's use for payments and will set a deadline to blah 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 to declare assets. Okay, last week he said at the Summit for Democracy hosted by Brandon that crypto should be used to empower democracy, not undermine it. His Twitter account was then subsequently hacked, and a tweet was posted falsely claiming that India has adopted Bitcoin legal tender and purchased 5 Bitcoin to distribute to all residents. Now that's funny. That's funny. I wonder if this scammer managed to scam any Indians or dumb gullible people into sending like, hey, I got 2 Bitcoin to send you, but send me 10% of Bitcoin to help with processing fees. And then people are dumb enough to actually send that Bitcoin out. All right. Anyway, I'm in a somewhat cranky mood. I gotta also keep farming some tweets, but really, I just want to relax. I want to get something to eat. And again, has my internet been fixed yet? What the fuck is wrong with my fucking internet? Funny enough, I finally caught a glimpse of Tyler Russell's show yesterday, and he actually had some temporary internet problems too. So, man, I don't want to reboot my computer because that means I have to relog in all my EverQuest accounts and then fucking reorganize everything. It's just gonna be annoying. I mean, the sites eventually load. So, anyway, I'm gonna go because I gotta find out what's wrong with my stupid internet. Hopefully, I don't have to reboot. So, thanks for watching. I will see you all Monday morning for Bitcoin Clown World. And from the way it looks, I mean, I don't actually know what's going on. I don't see any major news items that's like causing everything to go down. Yeah, because this was, yeah, even CoinMarketCap wasn't broken before. And this shit's like lagging too. Yeah, and the 24-hour volume is low, so I think it's just people just don't feel like doing anything. Alright, but if we're lucky, maybe it'll go up during the, the weekend or something, but, we'll see. And look at that, Bitcoin's already is above 48, it's at 48.3K, so who knows, maybe it'll go up. Yeah, anyway, 07's in the chat. Thanks for watching, and unless something major happens, I'll see you all on Monday morning. And of course, I'm going to keep farming my Twitter, so, we'll keep pushing that on.